Discover the emotion of victory in motion. Home of knee repair, not knee replacement.
Turn your knee towards me, right there. Right together.
Understood.
We'll figure out a little more what's going on here. Does your left side ever give you any issues?
Sometimes.
Any pain doing that at all? We'll go in this direction. Any pain doing this at all?
No.
Great. Straight up in the air. Good. Plant the left knee in towards you. Push it out against me. Right. Go ahead and push up with your whole foot. Push down. And then push up with your big toes. So I'm just gonna, yep, perfect. Any numbness or tingling in your toes at all?
No.
I'll tell you what, I'm with everyone who's telling you not to. Now in this view, we can sometimes see if there's any like meniscus tearing. We know is we actually have the previous X-rays from 2014 to compare to.
Oh, good.
All right.
Yeah, just center it under the magnet, and then we'll be ready to rock.
Let me know if and when this bothers you. A little bit there. It's patellar hypomobility. This one's got a lot of wiggle to it. Boom.
That's where it hurts.
Boom. Right
Yeah.
there. Then you just spend about 5 seconds there. We're just allowing relaxation to be there. Beautiful.
Yeah,
Yeah, it is better.
it is
I
better.
think you go one more time, right?
Yeah. Okay. It is. Wow, it is better.
I'm not going to throw 20 things at you. I would rather have maybe 2, maybe
Really
3
good.
really good targeted activities.
every day.
I want to get you independent.
Right.
That's the point of all this. Is
Well, yeah.
Can you
Just to orient yourself here on an MRI, okay, we have our front view right here, we have our coronal view.
Yep.
We have our sagittal view like this right here. And then this view is looking up the leg like this. Okay, so it's called our axial view. This is in your femur here, okay, so probably like right up there, okay?
Okay. I do not
Yeah,
want to have
perfect.
surgery.
So this is the way that we can
Yeah.
avoid that. And
I want to be able to do my at least a couple of miles a day or country
There you
skiing,
go.
kayak. I used to kayak.
great.
Yeah, get going, do my walk,
Perfect.
go to the gym, do whatever I want to do there. Basically, I just want to be able to not have to depend on someone else to take my garbage out.
Right.
Clean
Great.
my house, wash my car,
That's
shovel
simple.
my driveway.
If a ton, if you can do all those
Absolutely,
things.
mentally, it
Right.
would, because that's another component that we haven't, it's
Of
depressing.
course. Of course it is.
There's a lot of anxiety and depression
Right.
because you just can't, you're looking out the window. Today,
It's nice, right?
It's nice though.
You want to be able to go for a
I
walk,
want
right?
to walk and I want to do yard work and I want to, it's debilitating and I just can't, I can't
Well,
stand it.
we can definitely get you.
I
like
feel
that.
like